Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to add shadow on Canva. In Canva, we can add shadow on text and images. In here, I prepared a template and we will add shadows on it. We'll start to add shadow on the text, select the text, and click on Effects. And on the listed style, select Shadow. By changing the figure here, we can adjust the offset, direction, blur, transparency, and color of the shadow. As we can see here, we have a color white shadow on the text "Subscribe now." Next is we will add shadow on a subscribe clip art. Click on the Edit Photo. Note that when you add a shadow on an image or clip art, the best result is when it has no background or it's just the image itself. Drag slightly down and find Effects. Select Shadows. We can select here on Glow, Drop, or Cut Line type of shadow. We can also adjust the size, blur amount, angle, distance, color, and intensity of the shadow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified for our new upcoming videos. See you next time!